So what is Dridex? It's 18 to July 2024. This to show this update is current. Now let's start. The name of this bank is Quarterly Unit. I think crossroad for Naishako de Tiam. Okay, let's start something. This is the fifth I've been given this bank accounts. So I want you to work in with me. Okay, so I've add the password. Hey. Continue. Hey, oh, pip. Okay, so it has one line. It's one dota. Now let's say if it has some transaction history. Okay, so there is no transaction history. Now let's start to them. Time is already gone, so I'll do it really fast. All we do is copy and paste. Reload that. Copy and paste. Copy and paste, copy and paste. Oh. Hey, help it. Next is the receiver information. This is where the money be deposited. Copy and pastes. Just copy and paste. No need any expertise. Just copy and paste. Amount. Let's make it 9,500 of it. So. Bing. Bing. Okay, transfer done. So, check back in 2 to 3 business days. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello guys. So 3 days ago, I loaded my credit union with 9,500. Just accounts. I loaded with 9,500. Now the balance in the account was $1. Now a few days have passed, so it's time to check if the balance reflected. Before that, I need to check my Dridex software to make sure the state of exchange completed. Okay. Good. This shows completed, which means the money has reflected. Now let's check the account. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I put in the lummies. Stop putting a password here. Now let's check the accounts. Okay, so initially I had $1, but now I have $9,501. Okay. So I had 1 plus 9,500. So each need the money has reflected. As you can see, 9,500 was loaded. Good. Now let's check the transaction history to see if this man was loaded with my Dridex software. Now click on it. Okay, now if you check, 9,500 shouldn't have here. So I loaded 9,500. Sender's name is Bruce Gottlieb. Sender's name Bruce Gottlieb. I used Dridex 2.2. Or is it? Dridex 2.2. Okay, I think that's good. It reflected on 22nd of July. That's 2 business days after it was loaded. So yes, I think that's all. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.